Yo, Nike is back at it again. It's something that we're used to seeing almost every single time during the New Year's. They're about to be doing a crazy restock, but it's with a little twist, and we gotta talk about it, man. Yo, happy New Year's to everybody, man. Thank you guys so much for bringing in the new year with your boy, The Vintage. Kind of gave y'all a little sleeper unboxing. Like I said, I usually don't unbox different things other than Jordan and Nike and stuff like that because you guys aren't used to me unboxing that stuff. So I kind of just wanted to drop that unboxing to kind of end the year off with you guys, you know what I'm saying? Try to mix a couple of new things to the channel. But in today's video, we're gonna be back on schedule, back on track, talking about these potential restocks and these potential shock drops that we could be seeing here within the next couple of weeks or in January in general, man. So if you guys are new here to the channel, I need everybody to subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. Hit that like button, bro. It is free 99. The mics go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. Let's take that momentum we had in 2023 and keep flourishing in 2024, man. And if y'all kind of hear my voice going a little bit, hey, it was a lit night, bro. It was a dope way to bring in the New Year's, and I hope you guys enjoyed your New Year's Eve and New Year's Day today. All right, so like I said, man, Nike is gonna be doing a restock on some crazy sneakers, bro. And the first one that I kind of, pointed out and seen, shouts out to Stash Sneakers, is the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. And the only thing is, like I said at the beginning, with a twist, they will be doing this over on SNKRS EU, man. SNKRS Europe be getting all the crazy gems. And I kind of wanted to drop this video just because we have seen in the past where Nike SNKRS EU get some crazy restocks, and then a couple of weeks later or about a month later, we see something crazy here in the United States, man. So a couple sneakers that I did see shock dropping over on SNKRS EU is, of course, like I said, the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. And it's crazy that they're still restocking this pair. Like, they still have pairs in the warehouses, and I'm pretty sure it's probably a couple 100,000 more. That's probably a stretch, but I know it's a lot more that Nike does have to offer in these warehouses. People return them. They made a bunch of these pairs, and essentially they're trying to make the sales, make their money, and do it in the form of a restock or like a sneakers pass or something like that over on SNKRS EU. We do have some crazy supporters from Europe over here that supports the channel. So like I said, you guys stay tuned for that one. I'm gonna retweet all the details and stuff like that that I did see over on Stash Sneakers. They always dropping the crazy gems for us. But like I said, I kind of wanted to tailor this video towards people in Europe and here in the United States, because just because it's happening over in the EU does not mean that Nike won't do something crazy over in the States. So you gotta keep your eyes peeled open, stay aware of what's going on. So I tell everybody to follow me over on Twitter, because it's super easy for me to retweet stuff and show you guys what's going on in the sneaker community. And some other crazy sneakers they have on here is the Air 4s. They have the military black Air Jordan 4s. They have those like iridescent Air Jordan 4s, the black canvas Air Jordan 4s, and the midnight navy Air Jordan 4s. A bunch of 4s, that's crazy, and one pair of lost and found Air Jordan 1s on this restock. It's probably gonna be a limited drop, but it's probably something that they want to do to start the year off, get those extra pairs out, and hopefully we do see something here soon as far as a restock. We see it every year. I don't want you guys to be like, that ain't happening, because literally every single year Jordan does a Jordan 1 reserve or a Jordan reserve. They might even do both the same day, kind of, restocking a couple of sneakers that they did want to give back to the sneaker community. So if you guys are over in Europe and if you do hit on this restock, please let us know down below in the comment section. But like I said, man, here in the US, bro, if you're here with us, man, we should be seeing something relatively soon as far as a restock on a bunch of dope Jordan 1s or a bunch of dope Air Jordan 4s that have released in the past, because they got to get those pairs out and then kind of focus more towards what is going on this year. And that's what leads us to our next point, man, this shock drop over the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Now, you guys know I have made a video about this already, but I kind of want to re-emphasize the importance of this, bro. It's a lot of pairs of these Bred Reimagined. It says it's gonna be somewhere near the same stock as the Royal Reimagined, and it seems like everything other than the Lost and Found Jordan 1 Chicago Reimagined, everything has been very high stock and pretty much easy, relatively easy to get. But this is a Jordan 4. This is a whole totally different ball game. It's another, one of them notable Air Jordan 4 colorways being the Bred, and they put all leather on them joints, and I'm kind of thinking they're going to do the same thing like a black canvas 4 or like a military black Air Jordan 4, even a black infrared 4. People really love those Jordan 4 colorways, and with this Bred not being nubuck, a lot of people talked about the dust issue, you know what I'm saying, collecting all the dust after a couple of wears. But with it being all leather, bro, you kind of cannot go wrong as far as copping them joints, and I'm pretty sure just because it's a lot of stock in this sneaker right here does not mean it's going to be an easy shoe to get. Like when this shock drop does happen here within the next couple of weeks, probably even next week, what I'm hearing, I think that they're still going to fly like hotcakes, and then even leading to the release date, man, I don't think these are going to sit, right? You know, we always talk about it. Are they going to sit? Are they going to be easy to get? I think this being a Bred Air Jordan 4, this being a Reimagined 4, all leather, the quality looks super crazy just based off a couple of pictures that we have seen floating around the internet. These joints smack, bro. These joints definitely hard, and I am hopefully your boy get them in early. A lot of GS pairs are floating around, just waiting for the men pairs to come out. But when that shock drop news, the date, the time, and all that good stuff does happen, you guys already know I'm gonna be up on YouTube putting you guys on, man. Like I said, you guys stay tuned for anything that does happen, bro. It's the beginning of the year. Nike trying to make that money. They definitely trying to do better than last year. You know, they put out that statement that they lost a lot of money as far as putting out too many sneakers essentially, and now they're gonna be kind of cutting back. But all the pairs they do still have, they can probably do it like in the form of a restock or Jordan Reserve or something like that. But I'm gonna put you guys on, I promise y'all. Just kind of getting your eyes peeled open right now. You know what I'm saying? Kind of put that information in y'all ear, because there's no telling what is gonna happen here within the next couple of weeks. With it being relatively a dry month in January. Like we only got the yellow Orca 6s and the 1s dropping. And I don't think anything else crazy dropping as far as Jordan Brand. So I'm telling y'all, hey, stay tuned for this shock drop and these restocks that's gonna be happening. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Like I said, man, more content will be on the way, and I will be doing that full review and on feed over the yellow Orca Air Jordan 1s here with the next couple of days. Probably even drop that for you guys tomorrow. So like I said, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and please leave a huge like on today's video. Let's try to keep all the videos get at least 300 likes. I know we can do it. So if you are watching, man, please spam them likes. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video, man.
Jump out the crib, stack up my Cino this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights and study my real, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chills to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam, everything good on the side, everything coming together, new whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it, California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping, I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes. Hate me or love me, you see me.